Okay, so I've already covered the paper in a mid-tone, and I'm going to use a piece of kitchen towel to do a quick landscape here. So this is my mid-tone. I'm going to be putting on the black now, and we're just going to put a horizon line along there and add in some mountain type things here. Here we go. That seems to be all right for that side. Let's just push it up over here. There we go. Well, the flat-topped mountains. We're coming down on the inside into what is going to appear to be a lake. So here we go. Let's get it right away across the horizon. Yep. That's it, pretty much. I'm going to put some foreground in here. Just off to the side, just a little bit. Making it pretty dark in the foreground, if we can. Just add a little bit of water to blend that a touch. A bit more foreground. And that's it, pretty much. There we've got our very basic mountainous scene in the distance, landscape. Now I'm going to add up some white, and I'm just going to do that with a brush. So I was going to use a tool, but I'm going to do this with a brush. And I can just cut away the hills in the background. So here we're leading into the mountains, but back here we've got some hills in the distance. Okay, there we go, and the rest is sky. So let's just put in that sky. Okay, we know that at the top of the sky it gets darker. Just blend that a little with my thumb. There we go, and the lake. Same kind of thing. Just quick and dirty. Just add a little bit of water to that and blend that again. So maybe I'll use a bit of cloth. Okay, that's it pretty much. Very quick. Basic landscape. Let's just make that sky a little darker. Up top. And just a little in the foreground. That'll do. Be quick. Just add a little more black to this foreground here. I think we're done. How quick was that? I'll take away the tape, see what we got. And there it is, a very quick landscape, painted upside down.